Hi, so I wanted to show you this new tool that I have built. It's for AI email marketing slash manager. So it will have two things, outreach campaigns and AI email manager initially. We will also be adding WhatsApp numbers later on so that it will help you in WhatsApp marketing. It will be similar to email marketing but with WhatsApp. Uh, so how it will work is like this. So first you can connect your email accounts from here. I have connected a couple of them. Next thing, you can simply add emails, or you can select Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, custom SMTPs. Once you've done that, you can go to campaigns. This is for um, outreach campaigns. So, for example, I'll just give you an example what I filled out. So, campaign name, campaign name, center email account. You can select one. You can add some notification email so that if suppose it finds a proper lead, a good lead, or a potential prospect, it will send you an email to your main account. So this way you can connect a lot of different accounts, different email accounts, and use them for marketing. So here, what I filled out this like about you and about autoblogging.ai. Use ChatGPT to visit autoblogging.ai and figure this out. And this is my target audience. I will be trying to connect digital marketing agencies in New York City, and target audience are agency owners, head of content or SEO team, content operations manager, and account directors at NYC digital agencies. Next, success signals. So, for example, I'm offering them 30 credits for free to trial or sign up. That's my success signal. If someone is interested, AI will determine that from the emails and let me know. Okay, one guy is interested, so this is their email ID. Anyway, so once you click on generate campaign, it will first create this AI generated search keyword so that it will then visit each site or find all these lists of keyword. Sorry, it will run all these lists of keywords through Google. It will find sites which have these keywords, like these are advanced Google Docs, and based on that, it will try to grab the contact email IDs that they have. And then finally, you can click on launch campaign. I will add an option here to use your own keywords, and it is also limited to 20. But later on, once I play a lot with this, I'll add more keywords and more options here. So that way, your campaign will be launched. And right now, I just launched it, so it is probably busy. Yeah, okay, it is getting, it is hunting for prospects from different keywords. So it has so far validated 5 prospects so far from 13 keywords. There are a lot of, the thing is like it will have a lot of backend processes. So once it's done, it will show you an updated number. The other aspect of this tool is AI email manager. And this you can simply create a new campaign name. For example, combat management, backlink management. This is the email ID. Uh, Here I have filled out this information, like business information. This is about com.bot. Again, notification email, just a sec, at the gmail.com. So here, Sheetal at autoblogging.ai is currently being used to send out outreach emails for com.bots articles or using automated outreach that we have inside autoblogging outreach. So what happens is like once you have all these emails going out, there will probably be a lot of emails that you want to be read through, that you have to read through. You have to negotiate pricing, and also a lot of emails would be failing as well. So it's very tedious, that I found out. If you suppose if you're running 20 to 30 different sites for your clients, and each site is linked to one specific inbox, so it's very tedious to handle all those emails. So that's why I've created AI email manager. uh, Email management goal is basically like operate the outreach inbox and to maximize quality backlinks at the lowest cost. What I have done is I've set a maximum figure of $25 for a link, or push for link exchanges. Success signal is basically positive response or interest expressed, and yeah, that's it. The response delay instant. The reply will be instant, and then we can simply launch AI manager. So once you do that, this is active, this campaign. As you can see, it has processed 182 100 emails that I had in my inbox since the last 7 days, and now it will keep on looking for new emails every day. So a lot of them, like a lot of emails, had failed because obviously not all emails exist. We also have not added the email validation inside autoblogging, but this one has it. So I'll simply replicate the same setup, and then it will simply classify some emails. For example, like this one, news at wandly.com. It is active conversation. Now if you go through it, this is the conversation thread, like book a consultation and so on, or etc etc. It was a marketing email sent by them, I think, as an auto responded message or something like that. So here AI assistant has actually emailed to them like, thank you for reaching out with information about Windly. I'm writing to see if we can explore a mutual benefit, and here's the pitch for a link exchange. Or maybe, yeah, it did not mention the paid backlink. Anyway, I think if they come out with a reply, okay, we only accept paid backlinks, so then the AI will automatically respond to them like, okay, we have a budget of $25. So this way all our emails are handled automatically. Now I have only started this with a backlink manager in my mind, but if you simply set up a different campaign goal or set up a different business information or whatever you want, you can actually use this tool to create a lot of AI agents in a way that are handling your email accounts, and the goals can be different for everything. So yeah, this is it's this is what's happening so far, and I'll do a new video for this one, like AB outreach, once we have a lot of emails here. It is still running, and it is a very tedious process. Like it goes through 20 different keywords with 100 results for each, and then it goes through each site and finds contact emails, validates them. So it will take some time, but we do have like a lot of process in the backend. Like uh, we have scaled everything kind of, so it should be a bit quicker. Anyway, so this is what is going on so far. So let me know what you think about it, guys. So yeah, thank you.